channel, and today's Mother's Day, so I'm gonna unbox my bags that I purchased for Mother's Day. I bought it like a month ago, but it's for Mother's Day, and also it's Nurses Week, so I have 2 bags for myself. Ta-da! There you go. So we're going to open the first one. Let's unbox it. It's a Coach bag. So as you remember, I posted a video doing shopping for myself. So yeah, I bought 2 bags and now I'm ready to unbox it because it's Mother's Day. Here you go. What style do you think is this? I'm excited. Here you go. See? Let's do this like this. Okay. I have the Coach bag. Guess what style is this, you guys? Let's open it. It's a bit tight. Maybe we'll do it like this. There you go. Look at that. It's Palladium hardware. And I have my name in it and my zodiac sign. See? Pretty. Let's remove the white part. Oh, wow. There you go. You can also use this like that. And back. And if you will open this, there is a pouch here. It's like that, and open it. And there's a zipper in the middle and two compartments in between. Yeah, it's a nice one. And the leather is so nice. Look at that. I love it. Pretty bag.